Welcome back to Nati here. Today we will be going into the incredible 3-ingredient Nutella brownies.
As always, the link to the recipe is in the description below. We will now combine all 3 ingredients needed for our Nutella brownies: flour, eggs, and, well, the Nutella. Let's mix our ingredients together, and this is where it was difficult for me because I only had a whisk to do the work with. If you have a mixer, it might be a little bit easier for you. You can see that our final mixture looks a little like this, and that's when I decided to go ahead and pour it into our greased up pan. Make sure that your oven is getting preheated to 350 degrees. You were almost ready to go ahead and put this in. We got to make sure that we spread the contents of that pan out as best as we can because we don't want one side to be burnt and the other side to be just right. Now pop it in the oven for 30 minutes and this is what you'll get. Now let's get into the rating.
I actually had a really difficult time mixing all of the ingredients together, and I'm not too sure why. It could have just been a me problem, but that's why I have given it the following score. I think as long as your picky eater is not allergic to hazelnut and likes brownies in general, this is a safe recipe to go to. Nutella isn't one of those staple foods that we have in our pantry, so I wouldn't necessarily go out of my way to go buy Nutella just to make these brownies. But if we had it, sure, why not? Make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see next.